So I elected to have a shrimp burger simply because I've never had a shrimp burger before. And it looks very good. Smells like shrimp. Should taste like shrimp. What a fishy outcome. And of course my favorite, sweet potato fries. Struggling a little bit with the guacamole over there. I like it nice and smooth. That one is very turkey, but it's a work in progress. I will see how best I can manage to demolish it. But these for me, these are the star of the show. These corn ribs, oh my god. With this, I don't need anything else. They are so good, but like so good, I tell you. So this diner is on the ground floor, and this is the place to be.